हम करने वाले क्लास 9th एक्सरसाइज 13.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। अ प्लास्टिक बॉक्स 1.5 मीटर लॉन्ग एंड 1.25 मीटर वाइड and 65 meter deep is to be made. Okay, now these are the measurement of the box given. Okay, it is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. Okay, means we have to find out the area. Okay, and the cost of the sheet for it. If the sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20, मतलब इफ द शीट इज मेजरिंग 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट 20 है, तो टोटल शीट विच इज रिक्वायर्ड, व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट शीट. ओके, तो फर्स्ट लेट्स सी द डायमेंशंस ऑफ द गिवन क्वेश्चन. सो हियर लेंथ L इज इक्वल्स टू 1.5 मीटर, breadth B is equals to 1.25 meter, and height H is equals to 65 centimeter. Now we have to convert this centimeter into meter. Okay, first we have to convert this centimeter into meter. So we will divide this with 100. Okay, so this will become 0.65 meter. Okay, now our measurement are in meter. Then we have to find out the surface area of the box. Okay, since the box is open at the top. Okay, the box is open from the top. Now it has only 5 faces. Okay, if it is open from the top, then it has only 5 faces. So we will find out the surface area of the box. Okay, formula यहाँ पे लगाएंगे, surface area of the box. Okay, surface area of the box. Okay, ये हो जाएगा LB प्लस ट्वाइस BH प्लस HL, है ना, क्योंकि एक लेंथ और ब्रेथ ओपन है, ओमिट हो चुका है, इसलिए यहाँ पे ट्वाइस लेंथ और ब्रेथ नहीं होगा, सिर्फ एक सिंगल लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ होगा. या एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल का फॉर्मूला लगा के आप लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो इस पे अपन सीधे यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. लेंथ है हमारा 1.5, ब्रेथ है हमारे पास 1.25. ओके, प्लस 2, breadth is 1.25, height is 0.65 plus H is 0.65 into L is 1.5 meter. Okay, so and this will become, after solving this, okay, 1.5 multiplied by 1.25, it will get 1.875 plus 2. Now we will solve this, so we get 1.7875 meter square. Now first we will multiply this with 2, so we will get 1.875 plus this will become 3.575 meter square. Now adding this we will get 5.45 meter square. So this is your first part of the solution. Again the second part. Okay, second part says that cost of 1 meter square of the sheet is equals to rupees 20. Okay, so what is the cost of 5.45 meter square sheet? So we will multiply this with 20. Okay, the cost of 5.45 meter square of the sheet is equals to 20 into 5.45, which is equals to rupees 109. Okay, so this is your final answer. Now we will see the second question. So the second question says the length, breadth and height of the room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter square. Here also same thing, area of 4 wall plus area of roof. Okay, means we are omitting the area of the ground. Okay, or floor. Clear? So the length, breadth and height of the room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. So first we will write the dimensions. Okay, solution number 2. Here length L, है ना, length will be L is equals to 5 meter. Okay, and B is equals to 4 meter and H is equals to 3 meter. Okay, so length, breadth and height. Now surface area of the wall of the room and the ceiling. Okay, so surface area of the wall of the room means area of the four wall. Okay, and the ceiling, and ceiling is of rectangle. Okay, means length plus breadth. So first we will convert this line into formula. So this will become 2h L plus B. This is the area of four wall plus length into breadth. Okay, now we will put the values. 2h, h is 3. Okay, 2 into 3, 5 plus 4, plus length is 5 into 4. Now we will solve this. So this will become 3 2 is 6, 5 plus 4 9, plus 5 4 is 20. Okay, now after solving this we will get 6 9 is 54, 54 plus 20 will become 74 meter square. Now this is the area. Okay, now cost of whitewashing we have to find out. So cost of whitewashing, cost of whitewashing, this is given. Okay, it is rupees 7.50 per meter square. So we will multiply this. Okay, total cost of whitewashing, total cost of whitewashing the wall. Okay, total cost of whitewashing the wall, it will become, and the ceiling, and the ceiling of the room is equals to rupees 74 into 7.50. Okay, which is equals to rupees, we after multiplying this we will get rupees 555. This is your final answer. So this is your solution number second. Now let's see the third question. So the question is, the floor of the rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four wall at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. Okay, so here hint is given that area of four wall is equals to lateral surface area. Okay, so first let take the dimension. So let length, okay, breadth and height of the hall, okay, of the hall B. Obviously we will take L, B and H, okay, respectively. So perimeter of the floor, okay, of the hall, इसका फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा आपके पास, of the hall it will become 2 length plus breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth, which is given 250 meter. Okay, then area of four wall, okay, area of four wall, clear, area of four wall of the hall, okay, which is equals to 2h length plus breadth. So this will be becoming equation number 1. Now area also we will find out the area of four wall, okay, because the whitewashing rate is given. So area of the four wall क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास, area of the four wall, it will of the hall is equals to 15,000 divided by 10. So this will cancel and it will become 1500 मीटर स्क्वायर. जो कॉस्ट थी और जो उसका रेट था, जो टोटल मनी था और जो उसका रेट था, उससे हमने डिवाइड कर दिया तो हमको एरिया मिल गया, कितना हमें एरिया यूज़ करना है. सो दिस विल बिकम इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड. ओके, सो दिस विल बिकम इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड. क्लियर. नाउ अगेन what we have to do, that from equation 1 and equation 2, okay, 2h length plus breadth, it is given here 2h length plus breadth is equals to 1500. Okay, so h is equals to 250. This value is 250, 2 length plus breadth here it is given. So uh, h into, it will become h into 250 is equals to 1500. So next h we have to find out h. Okay, so h will become, h is equals to 1500 divided by 250. Okay, so solving this we will get this 0 and 0 will cancel, the 25 ones are 25, 6 are 150. So h is equals to 6 meter. This is your final answer and this is your solution number 3. Now let's see question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an equal area to 9.375 meter square. Okay, how many bricks of dimension 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Okay, means the area of the container means it is equals to 9.375 meter square. Okay, it is in meter and the dimension of the bricks are given in centimeter. तो हमें ये निकालना है कि कितनी bricks इससे पेंट हो सकती हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ सबसे पहले अपन मेजरमेंट ले लेते हैं जो उसके डायमेंशन है. हेयर एल इज इक्वल्स टू 22.5 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ इज इक्वल्स टू 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट एच इज इक्वल्स टू 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ टोटल सरफेस एरिया यहाँ पे क्यूबॉइड का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे जिसको हम ब्रिक्स बोलते हैं. ब्रिक्स क्यूबॉइड की होती है. तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 1 ब्रिक. ओके, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास फॉर्मूला 2 LB प्लस BH प्लस HL. ओके, नाउ वी विल put the values. So it will become 2, length is 22.5, breadth is 10 plus breadth is 10 into height is 7.5 plus height is 7.5 into length is 22.5. Okay, now solving this we will get 2, this will become 22 into 22.5 into 10, this will become 225. Okay, plus 10 into 7.5 will become 75 plus 7.5 into 22.5 which will become 168.75 centimeter square. Okay, then this will become, after solving this we will get first we will add this. Okay, then after solving this we will get 937.5 centimeter square. Okay, now this is in centimeter square. First we have to convert this into meter square. So this will become 937.5 into centimeter square means 100. It is square, so 100 into 100 meter square. So this will become 1 2 3 4. So this will become, point will be shifted 1 2 3 4. So this will become 0.0937 meter square. Therefore required number of bricks. Okay, required number of bricks. Okay, so this will become, what the area is given to us, 9 point. Okay, this 9.375 divided by 0.0937. Okay, so this is 100. Okay, after dividing this we will get 100. So your answer is 100 bricks can be painted. Now next question is question number 5. Okay, so the question is, a cubical box has an edge of 10 centimeter and another cubical box is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Means एक क्यूब है और एक क्यूबॉइड है. ओके, विच बॉक्स हैज़ अ ग्रेटर लेटरल सरफेस एरिया एंड बाय हाउ मच. तो मतलब दोनों का ये फॉर्मूला लगेंगे लेटरल सरफेस एरिया के. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे विच बॉक्स हैज़ द स्मॉलर टोटल सरफेस एरिया. तो क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड का टोटल सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला लगाना है और दोनों के एरिया को माइनस करना है. तो सबसे पहले अपन यहाँ पे डायमेंशन, ए इज इक्वल्स टू, मीन्स ए इज लेंथ. ओके, ए इज इक्वल्स टू 10 centimeter. दिस इज फॉर क्यूबॉइड, सॉरी क्यूब. ओके, साइड ऑफ द क्यूब. देन ए लेंथ इज इक्वल्स टू 12.5 centimeter, breadth is equals to 10 centimeter and height h is equals to 8 centimeter. Now this is for cuboid. Okay, this is for cube. Clear? Now first we have to find out the lateral surface area. So let's find out the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of the cubical box. ओके, तो इसका फॉर्मूला होता है 4a². ओके, so here formula is 4a². then we will find out 4 into a is 10 whole square, which is equals to 10 into 10 100 into 4 is 400 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the lateral surface area of cuboid. Okay, so lateral surface area of cuboid, okay, box. So this will become 2h length plus breadth. Okay, so this will become 2 into 8 12.5 plus 10. Okay, 2 into 8 plus 12.5 plus 10 centimeter square. Okay, now after solving this we will get 16 into 22.5, which is 360 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ विच बॉक्स इज ग्रेटर, हमें ये भी निकालना है कि कौन सा बॉक्स ग्रेटर है और कितने से, तो डिफरेंस निकालना पड़ेगा. डिफरेंस, ओके, डिफरेंस इन द लैटरल सरफेस, ओके, एरिया ऑफ द टू बॉक्सेस, है ना. तो ये हो जाएगा 400. क्यूब से क्यूबॉइड के एरिया को माइनस कर देंगे, विच इज इक्वल्स टू 40 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट, ओके, वी विल टेक टोटल सरफेस एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूबिकल बॉक्स. ओके, so this will become 6a². so it is 6 into 10 whole square, which is 600, okay, centimeter square. Now we will find out the total surface area of cuboidal box. Okay, so total surface area of cuboidal box, okay, so this will become 2 lb plus bh plus hl. okay, so it will become 2 into 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. okay, so after solving this 2, this will multiply, this will become 125 plus 10 8 is 80 plus 8 into 12, okay, 12.5, which is 100. okay, now after solving this we will get 2 into 305, which is equals to 610 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब इनका डिफरेंस निकाल लेंगे, तो डिफरेंस, ओके, डिफरेंस इन द टोटल surface area, okay, of the two boxes, okay, which is equals to 610 minus 600, which is equals to 10 centimeter square. So this is your final answer. Now see the sixth question. The question is, a small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of a glass panes, including base, held together with the tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter height. What is the area of the glass? Okay, means we have to find out the surface area of the herbarium. okay, and how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges, और tape का length कितना है वो भी हमें निकालना है इसमें. okay, so let's take है ना, डायमेंशन L इज इक्वल्स टू 30 सेंटीमीटर, ओके, B इज इक्वल्स टू 25 सेंटीमीटर एंड H इज इक्वल्स टू 25 सेंटीमीटर, ओके. So total surface area of herbarium means total surface area of cuboid, okay, total surface area of herbarium, okay, which is equals to 2 LB plus BH plus HL, okay. So this will become 2 into 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30, okay. So this will become 2 into 750 plus 625 plus 750, okay. Now this will become 2 into 2125, 2125. Now after multiplying this with 2 we will get 4250 centimeter square, okay. So area of the glass is 4250 centimeter square. Now second part, a cuboid, okay, means herbarium has 12 edges, okay, 12 edges होते हैं हमें मालूम है, okay, 12 edges. So these consist, है ना, तो उसमें कितनी लेंथ होगी, 4 लेंथ होगी, है ना, ऑफ 4 लेंथ, ओके, 4 लेंथ, 4 ब्रेथ एंड 4 हाइट, ओके. 4 लेंथ होगा उसमें, 4 ब्रेथ होगा और 4 हाइट होगा. तो टेप का जो लेंथ होगा वो क्या होगा, लेंथ ऑफ टेप रिक्वायर्ड, लेंथ ऑफ द टेप रिक्वायर्ड, okay. So this will become 4L plus 4B plus 4H, okay. So इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास मिलेगा 4 इंटू एल का वैल्यू है 30 प्लस 4 ब्रेथ का वैल्यू है 25 प्लस 4 हाइट का वैल्यू भी है 25. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 4 3 जा 12, 120 प्लस 25 4 जा 100 प्लस 25 4 जा 100. So this will become 320 centimeter. This is your final answer. Now let's see the question number 7. Okay, the Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making a cardboard box of packing their sweet. Two size of boxes are required. है ना, एक बिगर डायमेंशन है, मतलब 2 बॉक्स लग रहे हैं उनको. एक बिगर डायमेंशन है 25 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट ये है गिवन है बॉक्स की, और छोटे वाले बॉक्स का लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट ये गिवन है, और 5% हम टोटल सरफेस एरिया का एक्स्ट्रा ले रहे हैं दोनों बॉक्सेस के लिए, ठीक है. तो इफ़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार्डबोर्ड इज ₹4 फॉर 1000 सेंटीमीटर, है ना, अगर 4 रुपये कॉस्ट है 1000 सेंटीमीटर के लिए, फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार्डबोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सप्लाइंग 250 बॉक्सेस ऑफ ईच काइंड. तो छोटे बड़े दोनों मिला के 250 बॉक्सेस सप्लाई का कॉस्ट कितना होगा ये हमको बॉक्सेस, ओके. फॉर बिगर बॉक्सेस dimensions are L is equals to 25 centimeter, B is equals to 20 centimeter and H is equals to 5 centimeter, okay. Then total surface area of one bigger box, okay. So this will become 2 LB plus BH plus HL, okay. So this will become 2 into 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25 centimeter square, okay. So this will become 2 500 25 and 25 to the 50, which is 500 plus 25 is 100 plus 25 into 5 is 125 centimeter square. So this will become 1450 centimeter square, okay. Now area of cardboard, okay, 5% एक्स्ट्रा लेना है हमको. एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ओवरलैपिंग, ओके, ओवरलैप्स, है ना. तो तो ये हो जाएगा 5% ऑफ दिस गिवन एरिया 1450. So it will become 1450 into 5 upon 100. Now solving this, okay, we will get 72.5 centimeter square. Okay, so total surface area needed for one bigger box. Okay, so total area of cardboard needed for one bigger बॉक्स. ओके, तो ये कितना होगा, जो उसका एरिया आया है 1450 प्लस 5% एक्स्ट्रा, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. ठीक है, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो दिस विल बिकम 1522.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब इस ऐसे कितने बॉक्सेस चाहिए हमको, ऐसे 250 बॉक्सेस चाहिए. तो इसको हम ले लेते हैं, ये हो जाएगा टोटल एरिया ऑफ cardboard, okay, needed for 250 bigger boxes. Okay, so this will become 1522.5 multiplied by 250 centimeter square, which is equals to 338 3,80,625 centimeter square. Okay, now similarly we will find out for the smaller boxes. Okay, so for smaller boxes, okay, L is equals to 15 centimeter, B is equals to 12 centimeter, and H is equals to 5 centimeter. Now total surface area, okay, it will become 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now putting the value and solving this, we will get, it will become 630 centimeter square. Okay, then 5% of 630. Okay, this will become 630 into 5 upon 100. So this will become 31.5 centimeter square. Okay, now total area of cardboard, okay, needed for 250 smaller boxes, okay, it is 661.5 into 250. 661 means 630 plus 31. Total area is 630 plus 31.5, the extra 5%. This will be multiplied with 250, just like we have solved in the bigger box, for the bigger box. Okay, so total area will become 1,65,375 centimeter square. Now total area of cardboard needed, मतलब अब पूरा छोटा और बड़ा बॉक्स मिला के जो एरिया चाहिए हमको, तो टोटल एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड needed. Okay, so this will become 500 boxes हो गए है ना, for 500 boxes, 250 bigger 250 smaller. so दोनों को एरिया को ऐड कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 38. ओके, 0625 प्लस ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 165,375. नाउ एडिंग दिस वी विल गेट 546,000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1000, कॉस्ट भी निकालना है, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड, ओके, इज इक्वल्स टू ₹4. ओके, देन इतना पूरे का कॉस्ट कितना होगा, इसको हम 4/1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 5,46,000 है ना सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड इज इक्वल्स टू 4/1000. 1000 into 546,000. Okay, so this will get cancelled. Okay, then 4 into 546, which is equals to rupees 2184, is the final answer. Now the last question. Okay, Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that cover all the four side and the top of the car, with the front face as a flag which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margin are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter height 2.5 meter and base of dimension 4 meter and 3 meter? ओके, तो मतलब एक क्यूबर्टिकल बॉक्स ही बनाना है यहाँ पे भी अपन को, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले अपन इसके लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट ले लेते हैं, क्या होंगे। तो L इज इक्वल्स टू 4 मीटर, ब्रेथ इज इक्वल्स टू 3 मीटर एंड हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू 2.5 मीटर। ओके, देन द tarpaulin, okay, the tarpaulin, okay, then the tarpaulin is needed to cover 5 faces only. Okay, so surface area of the shelter, okay, this will become LB, means वही एरिया ऑफ फोर वॉल और एक रूफ को इंक्लूड कर लेंगे 2BH plus HL. Okay, so this will become, by putting the values we will get 4 into 3 plus 2, 3 2.5 plus 2.5 into 4. Okay, now after solving this we will get 12 meter square plus 2, 7.5 into 10. Okay, then after solving this we will get 12 plus 35, which is equals to 47 meter square. Okay, so this is your final answer. So here your exercise 13.1 is completed.